Hello everyone! Today I would like to shoot a small video about Google Search Console module and the Insights section. So, the Insights section shows the different criteria that have an impact on your SERP. And we will have different charts here and we will analyze that. Let's start with clicks by position. So here we see how many clicks this website is getting at the first position, at the second, at the third, at the fourth, etc. And we also see the dynamics of CTR here. This chart shows us rankings by positions. So, how many rankings this website is getting at the first position, at the second position, at the third, etc. And again, the dynamics of CTR at each of these positions. This chart is queries performance counts by words. Here there are groups of queries by words. 1 word queries, 2 words queries, 3 words queries, 4 words queries, 5 words queries, and from 6 to 10 words queries, and the rest. So from this chart we see that the majority of queries of this website has 3 or 4 words. And we see the number of these queries. But we see the CTR dynamics, and the highest CTR is for 1 word query. So it helps you to understand the efficiency of your queries really vividly. This chart reflects by query words the efficiency by impressions and by clicks. So we see how many impressions 1 word query is getting, how many impressions 2 words queries are getting, how many impressions 3 words queries are getting, etc. And we see the dynamics of CTR within this chart. We can also pick up the clicks, and here we see how many clicks 1 word query is getting, etc. And again, you are able to correlate the CTR here. The last chart here is active pages by groups. These are the pages which are getting visits of end users. So we are visualizing the information here in the following way. These are the pages, these are the visits. And we have different groups. We have the group of pages which got just 1 visit over the given period of time. So 1604 page. There is another group which got just from 2 to 10 visits over the given period of time. There is a group which got more than 11 and up to 100 visits over the given period of time. And there are just 36 pages which got more than 100 and up to 1000 visits over the given period of time. All of this data is clickable, and you can look closer at this list of your winners, and you can analyze here different criterias, and you can filter them and see the dynamics of different criteria of each particular URL. And this is just a small list of top queries by clicks. So again, your winners by queries that got the most of clicks over the given period of time. So thank you for your attention. If there are questions, feel free to ask.